Hello students, this is the chapter 5th complex number of class 11th. In your earlier classes, you have learnt about the linear equation in one variable and two variable. You have also studied about the quadratic equation in one variable. Okay, when the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we can say that this is in the form of a quadratic equation. Already you have seen that the equation x square plus 1 is equal to 0. It means this has no real solution because x square equal minus 1. Clear? And we know square of every real number is non-negative. Square of every real number is non-negative, that means positive. Clear? For example, 2 square, this gives 4, and minus 2 square also equals to 4. Clear? So we need to extend the real number system to a larger system so that we can find the solution of x square minus 1. You have studied about the nature of roots in class 10th. The first point was there when the discriminant is positive. Discriminant is positive. Then we can say that two unequal and real roots exist when the discriminant is positive. Second point was there when the discriminant is 0. That means two equal roots exist. The third point was there when the discriminant is negative. When the discriminant is negative, then we can say that no real roots exist. Clear? So we can find the solution of the equation x square minus 1. For this we need a complex number. Here we will discuss about the equation when the discriminant is negative, which is not possible in the system of real numbers. It means in real numbers we cannot find the solution of this point. Clear? So suppose we have given x square plus 4 is equal to 0. If we'll solve this equation, then we'll get x square minus equal minus 4. It means the value of x is plus minus square root minus 4. This we have learned in the 10th class. But this is not a real solution. This is not a real solution. To find the solution of this equation, we need complex numbers. This is the basic introduction of a complex number. To find the solution of these types of equation, we need a complex number. Clear? Complex number. When the numbers in the form of a plus iota b. When any number is in the form of a plus iota b, where a and b both are real numbers. A and B both are real numbers is defined to be a complex number. For example, 2 plus iota 3 minus 1 plus iota under 3. All these are complex numbers. Clear? We can denote the complex number as a Z is equal to a plus iota b. We can denote the complex number where a is called the real part of Z and b is called the imaginary part of Z. For example, suppose we have given Z is equal to 2 plus 5. Here we can say that real part of Z is 2 and imaginary part of Z is 5. Okay. How we can say that two complex numbers are equal? Suppose we have given two complex numbers a plus iota b and c plus iota d. When the real parts of the two complex numbers and imaginary part of the two complex numbers are equal, then we can say that these two complex numbers are equal. Real part means a equals c and imaginary part means b equals to d. Then we can say that these two complex numbers are equal. Clear? Thank you.